Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. Today, the agenda of this video is to cover about periodic journal or recurring journal in D365 Finance and Operation. So, what is periodic journal or recurring journal in D365? For example, you have set of transaction or set of journal record which you are posting in the month end and it is recurring every month. In that case, you can save that journal and retrieve that journal whenever you are posting that journal in your day to day activity or in month end. So, how to configure that? Let's see in the system. So, first you have to define your journal name. So, for defining your journal name, you have to go to modules, journal ledger, journal setup and journal names. Here click on new button and define your journal name. Here I will mention PJ. Select here journal type as a periodic journal. Yes. Okay. Now select your voucher series. So let me select any random voucher series and save. After creating this is the basic prerequisites. Okay. Now you have to go to journal. So there are multiple ways of creating periodic journal. So I am covering one of the way. So let's see. Here you have to go to general ledger, journal entries and journals. Here let's select any posted journal. Let's take this journal and open this journal. Here I have only one record. Okay. Now here you will see period journal. Click on this button and save journal. If you have already created a number, then use that number of that journal number, but in my case it is not created for me. I will leave this blank and select my period journal PJ. Okay, here you can mention your description. I will not mention anything. I will click on OK. So it will take some time and take this journal. Okay, now this is the simple journal creation. Now you have to go to journal entries from in the journal ledger, journal entries and periodic journal. Here you will see your journal name. Click on lines. Now system has saved this journal. Okay. For the time being, let's remove this date. Okay. We will not use the date. We will just save this journal line and retrieve whenever we want. Okay. We have units also, but we will not use for the time being. Okay. Let's click on save and go back. Now go to journal again and create a new journal. So let me create a new journal and lines. Here you will see period journal. Okay. Now retrieve the journal button is enabled because it is not posted. So I will click on retrieve journal. I will select the to date as today's date and Here I will select my journal. Now if you are selecting this to date or something other, then system will take the date of transaction as this date only. Okay. Now make sure you are not moving this journal, you are only copying this journal. Now click OK. So once you click on OK button, system will take that record and create the entry. Now you can validate and stimulate the posting. So if you wonder why I have removed the date on the periodic journal, because of that only, because if I want to post this journal on specific date, then I can select my to date and run that journal. So for example, let me delete this line and retrieve the journal again. Let's see how it works. Similarly, click on retrieve journal. Now select to date as 29 August and let me select my journal number. Okay, click OK now. So once you click on OK, system will add the lines. So if you see, I have the 29th to 205 available as my date, whatever I have selected on to date. So that's why I have removed that line from this periodic channel. So you get the basic overview of periodic journal, how it works. Now, in my next video of periodic journals, I will cover more scenario and more use cases of same periodic journal in D365. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next one.